Crystals. They're alive!
Gotta make it! We move together!
The crystals. They're in trouble!
Then we move together.
It's not just destroying. It's hurting because the canyon is sick.
Then we fix it, together. It's worse than I imagined.
We've got this, we move together.
It's bigger than I imagined.
We face it together.
It's scared, we can help it. Then we don't fight it. We protect and guide.
Watch out for the shards.
We move together. Careful! We can do this!
It's too strong. Our usual way won't work.
Then we think smarter.
It is getting worse. It is getting worse. Watch the cracks. Gotcha. Stay close.
Thanks, Bao. That was close. Together, we can control this.
Stay sharp.
We move as one.
Wait, it's pulling energy from those cracks.
You see something, don't you?
We're safe together. Let's keep moving.
I'll stabilize the ground. It's working. He's not fighting it.
We fix the cracks. The pain fades.
He's hurting!
Yeah, that roar wasn't anger.
Everything stopped. The canyon's listening. I've got you! You're not angry. You're hurting.
That crystal, it's broken.
Everything started there.
So we don't fight him. We fix what hurt him.
We're not fighting. We're not fighting.
It's okay. We're here to help. It's okay. I won't hurt you.
You're not alone.
You were just lost.
We did it.
Guess we're all good now. We did it together.
Not bad for a day's work.
It feels stronger now. Ready when you are.